Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, if you are yet to follow us on our Telegram channel, because there we'll be putting out an instant update and probably a daily update. So, if you would need an update, follow us on our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, click on the link, go to our Telegram channel, subscribe, and stay updated. Now let's see what we will be expecting on gold. If you follow this our channel analysis, you see I told you guys that we are definitely coming to a level of our resistance level. You can see it, and guess what happened? Market has eventually come to tap this our resistance level. Now we would want to know the next movement, but before that, you can see that market is ranging within this level, so we can take a look at here to be the resistance level. Here will be seen as the support level. Then we will take this one to be the resistance. Here will be taken as a support, then it came back to test the support level before it went up to tap this resistance level. With what I am seeing right now, gold is ready for a breakout, meaning gold should be breaking above this resistance level this week. So we should be expecting a push. I know many of you guys might be expecting, okay, we should actually get a drop from it since this is the resistance level, which is absolutely fine. It can happen. But with the current movement, especially when you have to take a look at your DXY, you can see our DXY. This is the dollar index. We are still expecting more sell. So on our DXY, we'll be expecting more drop. So if that will happen, then of course gold should definitely push up, because if DXY is falling, then gold should actually fall. So now let's say on our 4-hour time frame, market eventually pushes up, give us a pullback here. Now with what I'm seeing, I will be seeing a new breakout, meaning that movement should take out this previous highs. That is why I said a breakout should be happening. By the way, have it in mind that market can drop one more time before it eventually go up and push this level. So above all, we should see gold push break above this level. It depends on how it plays out, is what we can't tell, but gold should be pushing up to break this resistance level. So subscribe, follow us on our Telegram channel. You will see the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.